Morning, good afternoon. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, good evening, whichever time you will be seeing this video once it's uploaded. Right now, I'm in the process of I'm about to make what is known as banana fritters. If there are any Vinci watchers, if there are any Islanders watching, you would know what I'm talking about. But I have had this banana right here is not looking the best, and when they get this ripe, I do not like to eat them. But growing up, I was always taught of ways that you can use one item and create a whole new dish from it. So instead of throwing away the banana, I am going to be making fritters. I have all the ingredients that I will be using to make the fritters. I have some cinnamon spice right here, the one very ripe banana, the bowl that I will be mixing it in, some oil that I will be using to fry it, vanilla extract, some flour, and some pure cane sugar. There are persons that would opt not to use the sugar simply because the banana is already sweet. It produces its own sugar, and it's not necessary that you use it. I simply just sprinkle some additional sugar to it. That is my preference. Also, if in the process, if I've added a little too much flour, I may add some milk in it as opposed to water to kind of soften the ingredients to make it a little lighter. And on the stove, I have my frying pan, which I will be adding the oil to, and a plate set aside on the back with some paper towel that I will be used to somewhat soaking up the excess oil from the fritters once they have been completely fried. So once again, this is a video on banana fritters. Stick around to see how I am going to get this done. Here I've added the banana to the bowl, and I'm gonna use a spoon and simply mash the banana to soften it and to get rid of all the clumps. Then I will be adding the other ingredients to the bowl. So in the bowl, after I have mashed the banana, you can see that it is now mashed into a paste. I have added my cinnamon, my vanilla extract, and a little bit of sugar. Now I will add to the bowl some flour, gradually adding flour to it if it needs more, but if it doesn't, then I will mix that all the ingredients into a paste, and then it will be ready to fry. This is the consistency after adding all the ingredients: the flour, the vanilla extract, the cinnamon, and my one banana. Once again, if you have multiple bananas that are going bad, this is something you can use your bananas to do. You don't have to throw them away. People can make banana bread, banana cake. Once again, this banana fritters is something I grew up eating around breakfast time, but it can be enjoyed any time of the day. So over here, I have my oil already warming in my frying pan, and simply how I'm going to get this done, I am going to simply dip some of the batter in the spoon and drop the portion into the frying pan to be fried. And then I will take them out. I'll turn them over once one side is golden, and when they're finished, I will put them over here to take some of the oil out and to be warmed, and then they'll be ready to eat. My fritters are complete. Yay! So once again, this is what I got from one ripened banana. I hope this inspires you to give it a try. I didn't want to throw the banana away, and I remember this recipe from growing up. My islanders will know what I'm talking about. For other persons who have tuned in and you're looking at this video, I hope you would get some ideas and try it out. It is early in the morning. I'm about to have breakfast, so I'm going to find something to watch quickly, enjoy my banana fritters with a nice cup of tea. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed coming in the kitchen with me this morning and seeing how I whipped up my banana fritters, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't done so, and thank you so much for watching.